Hi, I'm Jordan Gertz. I'm here today to talk to you about our great company, EMT International. EMT has evolved from a small tool and die shop in the 1940s to a world-class engineering and manufacturing organization today. We design and build advanced technology to market leaders such as Hewlett-Packard, Canon, Xerox, and the world's largest label company, CCL Industries. In 2010, we opened a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Hobart, Wisconsin. We expanded again in 2017 by acquiring Rotocontrol, a producer of label finishing systems located in Lanau, Germany. You can join our EMT family in a variety of roles with competitive wages and full benefits. If you're looking for a career change or a new opportunity, we have positions in engineering, machining, customer service, and more. Here at EMT, our team is proud of what we do and who we are. For more information, check us out at emtinternational.com.